But so does Cadillac, battling it out side by side. Good battle coming over the double-double center of the track. Oh, and Cadillac having some issues now. John getting by on the outside, making the pass. And now Cadillac having to make up some time. And there goes Marcus by the line in the 3 spot. So John now trying to make his way up to the B main event in this one. So we got 2 down, 5 to go. There is your leader, John Rodriguez. Oh, Cadillac having some issues. That's gonna almost let. Oh, and a wheel coming off. That's not good. Straightaway, guys. Watch the straightaway. There is a wheel on the straightaway. Wheel on the straightaway. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. So Marcus with some bad luck out there. But John just checking out now. Opening up his lead. Big time. Last time by 26-0 Cadillac. 31-8, the gap 13 seconds. So John now on a Sunday cruise with 4 minutes and 10 seconds left in this race. 2 drivers left on the driver's stand, 2 cars on the track. And there is your leader once again down the straightaway by the line. 29-7, a little slower for John. And so Team Tuck Nasty over here yelling at Cadillac to calm down, take it easy.
I think that was a nice idea. Just a little bit, but